Hi friends. So my name is Achut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class, we will learn about free command in Linux. So free command. So what this command is, so it will show this free space available in your Linux operating system. So if you want to install any application in the Linux operating system, like you have to search for the free space, right? How much amount of space is there in your system, and we will see the application store space also, like how much GB it will take and how much MB it will take to install the application in my system. We will think in that way, right? So likewise a free command will show the how much amount of free space which you have in your system. See, it is showing memory and how much you have used and how much is free, and you have shared and buffer and cache and available. All those things will be available in free command. So this much of a memory is there, and this much of amount is used, and this much of space is there. So if you want this free space in bytes, you have to press free hyphen B. You'll get the information in the byte format. Information in the bytes format. So this is the bytes format. This is the space which you have used, and this is the space which you have free. So I hope you understand. And if you want this space displayed in the KB kilobytes, you have to press free or hyphen K, then you will get the space in the form of kilobytes. Space in the form of kilobytes. And if you want the space should be displayed in the form of megabytes, which is MB, you have to you have to type free hyphen M. Then you will get this storage in. So how much of MB is there? 5646 MB is there. In that 827 MB is used and 3812 MB is free. So this much of space is there, and you can install up to the level of 3812 MB of storage application. So I hope you understand. And if you want to see in the form of gigabytes like GB, you can type G. Then it will show 5 GB, and 0 is used because it is 827 MB, right? So it is not 1 GB. So that's why it's showing 0 and free space 3. And you will be having a terabyte also. You can write T, then you will get terabytes. So in this way, you can see the space, and based upon that, you can install the application. So that's it, friends. The free command in Linux. If you find this video is helpful for you, please like it. Please like the video, and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel, and please ring the bell icon. Then only you will get the notification, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.